Hey, it's Rabbi Shmuel Pollen. Welcome back. I want to wish you a happy Lag BaOmer. It's the 33rd day of the count of the Omer, counting of the Jewish people going from Egypt to Mount Sinai to receive the Torah, to receive the Bible, and that's where it all started. And on this day, one of the great sages of all time, Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai, passed away, and he asked that the day of his passing become a day of celebration. So we celebrate it with shooting bows and arrows and making bonfires and having parades. And it's really a good day to talk about Hasidic philosophy, Kabbalah, the oneness of the universe. I just did a video yesterday about the theory of everything. We explained how really if you look at everything in reality the way it is, it's actually nothing. You go deeper and deeper into matter and molecules and atoms and you realize you have absolutely nothing. The world starts out as a nothing. This was explained by the Alter Rebbe of the 17th century. He was a great sage, a great scientist. And he explained that the world comes from nothing, and that when it is created, it retains its nothingness. So this brings us to the truest line in a movie that there ever was, and it comes from Matthew McConaughey, the shady stockbroker named Mark Hanna, and he's talking to Leonardo DiCaprio about stocks, and he says, "Number one rule of Wall Street, nobody, I don't care who you are, Warren Buffett or Jimmy Buffett, nobody knows if a stock is going to go up or down, sideways or in circles. You know what the Fugazi is?" Jordan Belfort says, "Fugazi, it's a fake." Mark Hanna says, Fugazi, it's a wazi, it's a woozy, it's fairy dust. It doesn't exist. It's never landed. It is no matter. It's not on the elemental chart. It's not effing real." And that's exactly the nature of this universe that we find ourselves within. It's not real. If you look beyond, it's so simple that people don't realize it, that if you actually look into a chair or a table or a computer deep enough, you will find nothing. Absolutely nothing. They say, an atom is made up mostly of empty space. It's not just mostly empty space. If you look into the parts that are supposedly something, you realize that it's nothing. You go deeper and deeper and you will always find nothing. So this universe is nothing, and yet something great comes out of it, which is all of history, the entire universe. It's all nothing. It came out of nothing and it remains nothing. So that's the best way to think about the theory of everything. It's the Fugazi. The world is a Fugazi. It's a fake. We think it's real, but if you look deeper, you realize it's not real. And what comes out of it is more like a movie, a story, a cartoon, or anything that gets you to realize that this world is not limited the way you think it is limited. There is infinite potential in every cell of your body. There's infinite potential in your soul. You are capable of absolutely anything, and anyone who tells you different is lying, because they don't understand that the universe comes out of nothing and retains its nothingness, which makes it a movie, a cartoon, a story, or anything that helps you understand that your life is however you want it to be. You 100% have the choice to make yourself miserable or to make yourself happy, to make yourself impoverished or to make yourself successful. And understanding how something comes out of nothing, ex nihilo, is the key to understanding not only physics, but understanding all disputes between husbands and wives, between right and left, and absolutely between Putin and Ukraine, and absolutely everything in the world is explained by the theory of everything, and explains that the world is a Fugazi. God bless.